Today I'm your sales of MMA cars, having a look at the Range Rover Sport 5-litre V8 Supercharged, automatic xenon headlights, front fog lights, headlight washing system, front park distance control, surround view cameras, alloy wheels, side step, airmatic suspension, smash and grab, keyless entry, keyless start, black leather with white stitching, clean, well-maintained vehicle with service history. Rear entertainment package with the rear entertainment control. Rear park distance control with reverse camera. Absolutely beautiful vehicle. Electric windows, electric mirrors, memory seats, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift, touchscreen infotainment system, climate control, terrain control, airmatic suspension, sunroof. All vehicles sold with the AA DECA roadworthy certificate.